Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythms bold.
Did you know that in the Igbo traditional society, Nza, whisk from horse tail, this is Nza, was strictly an emblem of authority, administrative power, moral purity, and spiritual high ranking? Nza was not just an accessory for decoration. It was strictly made for some certain people in the Igbo traditional society. If you like what I am doing here and you have not subscribed to my channel, make due to subscribe to my channel, like my video, use the comment section, share your own thoughts, and share my video so that others can see what I am doing here. Thank you. Nza. But before I go further, somebody will say horse tail. Did Igbo people breed horse? And the answer is no. The breeding of horse did not survive. Or should I put it this way, that the Igbo land, the environment was not conducive for the breeding of horse, because Igbo land, most part of Igbo land is rain forests that breed sese fly, and sese fly or sese flies were not good for horse. It transmitted a disease, a certain disease, into horses. So it's not as if the Igbo people did not have the skill or the resources to breed horse, but the environment was not conducive for the breeding of horse. So our ancestors had to go to get horse tail from the houses through trade. So Nza, like I said, was strictly made for certain people during the pre-colonial Igbo era. It was not anybody that felt like carrying Nza that carried Nza. Who were those that were permitted to carry Nza? Title holders and people initiated into some certain traditional offices. Number one, Nze. Ndi Nze na Ozo. They were the people that carried Nza for symbol of authority, power, justice, truth. Remember, Nza, like I said, was a symbol of moral purity. Number two people that were permitted or carried Nza were traditional leaders and spiritual leaders like Eze Ngri, high priests and lineage heads. They were those that were permitted to carry Nza. Number three set of people that were permitted to carry Nza were titled women, high-ranking titled women like the Lolo, Odu, Omu, Inyum. I've discussed some of these titleship in some of my videos. You can go and see them, and then you will understand why this set of people were permitted to carry nza. Then another set of people that were permitted to carry nza during the pre-colonial Igbo era were the Ndi Okpara and family heads, clan heads. They were the people that were also permitted to carry nza. Also, another set of people that were permitted to carry nza were the Umuokpu. You know, Umuokpu, they are Umada. And go and watch my video on Umuokpu. You will understand why the Umuokpu were permitted, because Umuokpu Umada. There is nothing like Umuokpu without Umada. You will know why Umuokpu were permitted to carry nza. So nza was not meant for everybody. Nza was guided, was strictly regulated by the customary law. No person with questionable character or uninitiated person was permitted to carry nza. Unlike what we are seeing now, everybody carries nza, but it was not so during the pre-colonial era, the Igbo traditional society. This is wonderful. So, my people, Ndi Igbo, now you've heard it and you've known now that is not everybody that is permitted to carry nza. So I will be stopping here to see you in my next video, where I will be discussing another interesting topic on Igbo tradition, my heritage. See you in my next video. Bye.
Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Draw